Oh, hello. Hey. Hi, Gerald. I'm gonna be showing you some green slime because I'm gonna die to get on. So, and I also have this little wand I got in a little wand box thing. The wand I got was Harry Potter's because I'm obsessed now because I don't know why. See, I'll show you it. There it is. I don't know if you can see it. See, it has that and then that. It's basic. Well, Voldemort, is different, but whoever likes this video and subscribes gets a shout out. So subscribe. And if you want to comment, I got at least 5 comments on videos because I'm really bad at this. But I'll show you some slime. Okay, just let me open this. It's really hard. Okay, I just did a smiley face. Because I like smiley face. Here. You guys can see that. So, there it is. That's the slime. Good. Stick it out. Oh my god. So, it is pretty sticky, but I made this at a camp. See, I don't play with slime a lot. Oh, ew, God. I like to get messy. Oh, I'm starving. It's food. I want some. Okay, now let's do something with my log. Wow, really, you're so good at this. Okay, I'm gonna make a smiley face. And a boo boop. So, sorry. Okay, so there's my slime. I'll show you the smiley face. There we go. That's pretty sticky. So, there we go. There's some